Hello everyone, the topic for today is spouse income. Now you must mention your spouse income in your tax return. By law you are supposed to mention, and also it will help to calculate your tax return. Maybe you have to, like, it might increase your tax refund, it might decrease your tax refund, but you legally have to mention your spouse details. You have to mention spouse name, date of birth and income. Now this video is only for the income. What income you have to mention for your spouse? Now the first is a taxable income, which you copy from the tax return. It's not gross income, it's a taxable income after deductions. Then you mention your spouse trust income. RFBA, you mention spouse RFBA, which is a reportable fringe benefit amount, and RESC, reportable employer superannuation contribution, which you can see from her tax return or from a PAYG summary. And your spouse foreign income, target foreign income, and your spouse rental loss, which means if your spouse has few investment properties and he or she is claiming loss, so that loss also you need to mention in your tax return. You legally have to mention all these figures in your tax return about your spouse income. If you do not mention, it will delay your return because ATO would ultimately pick up these details from your spouse tax return, and that will, and if it is not matching, that will delay your return. So my advice to you is mention it correctly, copy it from your spouse tax return. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.